what are the secret mindsets of men who never chase women?
Personally, I think there are like 4 secret mindsets of men who never chase women.
Okay.
And in fact, number 3 is the most important one.
Oh, wow.
Yes. Number 1, the abundance mindset.
So what do you mean by that?
See, men who don't chase don't see women as their only source of happiness.
Ooh.
Yes, because they know that their life is already valuable with or without the woman. And see, the abundance mindset separates a man that attracts women from a man that pursues women.
Okay.
And I see, men like this understand that there is no perfect woman for them.
Yeah.
Because there are several options. So losing one woman does not reduce the chance of him getting a better woman, a better companionship, friendship, and even sex.
Deep.
See, because men like this also don't get their confidence from the validation of a woman.
Wow.
Yes, now, because it's from within.
Okay.
But see, one of the most terrible things you can do as a man is to operate from a space of scarcity. Because see, men like this think that once the relationship does not work, the current one, they will never get a better person. And that is when the woman will now start maltreating you.
Okay.
You know, in fact, you will become unattractive to the woman because she will sense desperation.
Exactly.
So as a man, you need to develop the abundance mindset so that you can walk away when you are not respected in the relationship.
Talking about walking away, wouldn't this come off as the man being arrogant?
Okay, so there is a very thin line between arrogance and confidence.
Okay.
Do you understand? So self-confidence is thinking nobody's above you.
Yeah, sure.
But arrogance is thinking you are above everybody.
You're right.
So, and self-confidence make you understand your self-worth.
Yeah.
Make you set the right boundaries so that nobody treats you anyhow.
Yeah.
And once people understand that, in fact, once a woman understands that, you can easily walk away when they treat you bad, she will comport herself. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So that is why it is so important to know your self-worth and build that abundance mindset.
You said something about self-worth, confidence, and all of that. So my question now is, as a man who doesn't have all of these things, how can he develop abundance mindset?
Okay, so I think there are like 4 ways to actually develop abundance mindset as a man and build your self-confidence.
Okay.
Right? So number 1 is act as if you have several options.
Oh, really?
Yes, because see, once a woman understands that you can easily walk away and you have other people waiting for you out there, she will behave herself.
True.
Now, it may sound toxic, but the truth is, once people know that there are options out there, it will set them into competition mode. And they will up their game.
Yeah.
In fact, the woman will even up her game easily. So as a man, act as if you have different options.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
Another way to actually, build that abundance mindset is to work on yourself.
How?
Build your business.
Okay.
Go to the gym.
Yeah.
Build your network. Don't rely only on the relationship.
Exactly.
Because once you keep improving, the woman wants to be part of a big future.
Definitely.
In fact, women see the future before you do. They see your future before you do.
Yeah.
So as a man, you want to work on yourself. You want to grow you want to develop yourself because that will make you attractive to that woman.
Yeah, true.
Because a man who is nothing is unattractive to anybody.
I tell you.
Even to himself, to his neighbors.
Yeah.
Do you understand? So as a man, develop your business, develop whatever is around you.
Yeah.
So as a man, another way to build the abundance mindset is to make the woman the part of your life, not the center of it.
How?
Because see, most men, once they get into relationship, they will adore the woman so much that everything she does is the main focus of their life.
Wow.
Do you understand? So as a man, you want to prove that you have other things going on in your life.
Yeah.
Because that will even make the woman respect you more.
True.
Because once she notices that, whatever she says, whatever she do is the center of the focus, what happens is she'll start misbehaving. So as a man, make sure that you are the center of your life, not anybody else.
Yeah.
Because with that, she will respect you more.
Deep.
Do you understand? So prioritize yourself more in the relationship. So another secret mindset of men who don't chase women is they value their time more.
Value their time more. Are you saying men shouldn't give their women enough time?
No, I'm saying don't be too available.
Okay.
Like canceling your schedule to actually fit into their own time is very, very bad.
Yeah.
Because see, if you don't respect your time, she will never respect you.
True.
If you're always waiting for text, you're always calling her, where are you, this one, that one, and because she will realize that you don't have anything going on in your life. Because see, men that are working hard, men that are doing big stuff, they're always busy.
Yeah, true.
So they're always struggling to even create time for their partner.
Exactly.
So if you're talking to a woman and she realizes that this guy is always available, he's never busy. He's never at work. She will know that you don't even know where you're going. And once women sense that kind of aura, they run away.
Yeah.
And that is why you keep chasing after women that you're supposed to be attracting. So as you're creating time for her, make sure that you are not too available. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Like some women, they do this mind test, right? So they will tell you, oh, probably you fixed a date with them.
Yeah.
They will cancel the date intentionally at that minute. They will not tell you, oh, can we do tomorrow? If you agree to that, they will keep doing it. And they will realize that it's always available. Do you understand? So as a man, once you cancel the appointment, make sure that you don't agree to her own date. Do you understand? So that you can take the lead in the relationship and she will understand that you value your time and your time is precious to you.
And it even makes the man more attractive.
Do you understand? Because any man that is too available will become unattractive to the woman. So as a man, you have to value your time more if you want to attract women, not chase them.
Okay.
Good. So another secret mindset of men who don't chase women is they don't brag about what they have. It shows effortlessly.
Please shed more light.
Because see, have you ever thought of all these big men, rich men, billionaires?
Yeah.
They don't tell you, oh, I have billions in my account just to prove to you.
You're right.
Because see, the moment you start showing her, the moment you start trying to look rich, she will know that you are not really rich. Because the rich always hide their wealth. Do you understand? So showcasing your wealth will not get her attention. And in fact, it will attract the wrong set of women to your life.
Yeah, the gold diggers.
Yes, the gold diggers. And the worst part is if you don't have the good. So they come into your life, they dig the scrap that is in your life and they run away.
Exactly.
Because when all those things finishes, they will run away. So don't brag about what you have. Let her see the value in you with time. And if she truly loves you, she will stay. So don't brag about what you have. And that is why you see that a lot of men keep chasing women instead of attracting them. You can easily spot a rich man even without appearing rich.
Absolutely.
Because it shows in their aura.
Yeah.
It shows in what they wear. Do you understand? You don't need to tell a woman that, oh, I make billions of naira monthly. And meanwhile, you're not even making up to $1 million.
At all.
Because what happens is that you attract the wrong set of people in your life. And you keep meeting the bad people throughout your life. So it is so important that you don't brag about what you have. Let it show effortlessly. And you attract the right women into your life.
Yes.
And the last one, which is the secret mindset of men who don't chase women, which is create sense of mystery.
What do you mean?
See, have what we call element of surprise.
Okay.
Because if you are too predictable, you become unattractive to the woman.
Wow.
Because see, human beings generally, we love surprises.
Yeah.
We love miracles. And that's why you see that a lot of people go to church. Because they want something that they don't expect to happen to them. So if you can create that sense of mystery, because when you are too predictable, the woman will find you very boring. And once something is boring, people move away. They look for excitement elsewhere. So that is why it's so important as a man, do surprises.
Okay.
Don't be too predictable. Oh, she know when you will text. She know that you will text first. She know that you do this thing first. Sometimes relax and do something surprising. And you see that the woman will find you more attractive in that way than actually, doing the same thing over and over again. In fact, even in a relationship, make sure that you are not too predictable. Okay. I'm not saying not in a bad way. Yeah. Do you understand? In a very good way. Buy things that you have not bought before. Okay. Go to places that you've not gone before. Not the same place, not the same food every time. So it is so important that you create sense of mystery as a man.
Okay.
As a man, you need to have that element of surprise so that you can create sense of mystery and you become so unpredictable. Because trust me, women find that very sexy.
Wow, you've said a lot and I feel like this is so insightful. So if you have any other contribution you want to add to this, please just put it in the comment section. And
if you have any question that you want to ask and you feel like, okay, fine, there are more points you want to say, drop it in the comment section and I'll be there reading. And my name is Israel Onadari.
And my name is Nayola.
See you next time.